Hello everybody, I hope all of you are doing good. So in this video, we're going to discuss about can you become data analyst? If you have any confusion that Aditi, I am from non-technical background, Aditi, I don't know any coding, programming, Aditi, I don't know that is this profile is work for me or not, will I get a job or not, this is my academic background, this is my academic or experience, or in this department I have worked, can I become data analyst? So in this video, we're going to talk about all these things. Okay, so if you have any confusion that as per your background or as per your knowledge or as per your knowledge or as per your experience, can you become data analyst? If you have any confusion, then watch the video till the end, because hum is video mein we're gonna talk about everything. Okay, so now, first of all, can you become data analyst? So many of the people have confusion. So first of all, we're gonna talk about the academic background. Okay, so let's say you are from BCom. Okay, that Aditi, I have done BCom, or Aditi, I have done let's say MCom, or BCA. We have MCA. Okay, I have done BTech, MTech, or I have done BSc, MSc, or if you have done BA, MA, and so on. Okay, so if you're from any of this academic background, that Aditi, this is my graduation and this is the field or the stream that I have opted for, then definitely, irrespective of any academic background you have, let's say when it comes to BCom, MCom, or any graduation degree you have, you can become data analyst. Okay, because to apply for data analyst, you don't require coding or programming, because you are not applying for a data scientist roles. You are applying for data analyst positions, okay, where the academic background, the graduation is needed for sure to apply in the companies, the minimum eligibility criteria that you need to be graduate, okay, but you can be graduate in any stream, but with that you need to learn a tools and softwares which data analyst work on. For an example, that if you have any of these academic background, okay, then you need to learn some tools and softwares. For an example, you can learn Power BI, okay? You can learn Tableau, and we have some softwares like SAC, which is SAP Analytics Cloud. We have Tableau and we have Looker. Okay, so Power BI is by Microsoft, Tableau is by Salesforce, SAC is by SAP, which is an enterprise system, and Looker is by Google. Okay, so these are the main, we can say, tools where data analysts are using. Okay, so you can learn any of these tools. So in short, academic background can be any. You can you can have a graduation degree in any stream, but with that you need to upgrade your skills in the tools and softwares which is highly demanded in the market and data analysts are using. Okay, so in short, academic background doesn't matter in here if you upgrade your skills to the tools and softwares. Now the second thing, that Aditi, this is my academic background and this is the experience. Okay, let's say you have the experience in sales domain. Okay, you have experience in marketing domain, logistics, finance, HR. Okay, you have worked with the industries like let's say I have worked with automobile industry, I have worked with healthcare industry, I have worked with e-commerce industry, and so on. Okay, so guys, understand one thing, that doesn't matter. You can have experience in any domain. Okay, you can have experience in any industry. You can still apply as a data analyst. You can become a data analyst. For an example, let's say you have experience in sales. Okay, in that case, you can apply as a sales analyst. We have business intelligence analyst, we have marketing analyst, and so on. Okay, so if you have the experience in any other department, then you can apply for an analyst in that department. For an example, let's say you are from sales background, you are from finance background, then you can apply as a finance analyst. You have HR background, you can apply as a HR analyst in any organization, and so on. Because in each and every department, either it's sales, billing, HR, logistics, finance, we have data. So we need to work with data. So that's why in each and every organization, we require analysts. Okay, so now it's clear that irrespective of any academic background or irrespective of any experience or professional background, you can become data analyst. But the condition is one, which is you need to upgrade your skills in the tools and softwares where you can at least work as an analyst. For an example, you can upgrade your skills to Power BI. Power BI is one of the top data analytics and business intelligence tool by Microsoft. Okay, so using Power BI, you can apply as an analyst in any of the profiles and in any of the company. Fine. So that's how your understanding is cleared. Okay, Aditi, I can become a data analyst. Then let's say, Aditi, I'm from, many of the people have this confusion, then Aditi, I'm from non-IT background. What needs to be done? Aditi, I don't know any coding. I don't need any programming. I don't, know any. Maybe you are thinking that, Aditi, I'm from non-IT background, I don't know coding, I don't know programming, can I become data analyst? Then who told you that for becoming data analyst it requires code or programming? Okay, so understand one thing, from non-IT background as well, you can learn it. It don't require coding, or when it comes to the programming as well, it doesn't require the programming knowledge too. Okay, but you need to select the softwares which are not at all need the coding and programming. So when it comes to Power BI, okay, when it comes to Power BI, it is a data analyst. It is one of the top data analyst software where you don't require coding, programming. So you can learn Power BI in that case. You can upgrade your skills and do the projects. Okay. Once you learn Power BI as a fresher, you can apply in any company. But most of the students have this doubt that, Aditi, I have already experienced. I have already experienced. Let's say you are the experienced candidate, like 2, 3, or you have 5+ years of experience. Now your question is, can I become a data analyst? I'm already an experienced guy. The answer is definitely yes. You can also become a data analyst. Now the second question is, can I get hike if I apply? Definitely yes. You can get a hike as well. Okay, so you need to understand one thing, you can apply and you can get a hike, but the condition, there is one condition for the same, that you need to learn. Okay, that you need to upskill yourself. If you'll not learn and upskill, then you can't able to, apply, or you can't able to get a hike. Okay, so if you are the one who are an experienced candidate, then learn the software, upgrade your skills. Okay, so this is only for the people who are experienced, that if you are an experienced candidate, how you can apply as a data analyst. For that, you need to do a projects. Okay, you need to build your resume, you need to make a portfolio, everything. Because if you are a fresher, then nothing is needed, just a simple resume and the projects to show. But if you are an experienced candidate and you're looking forward to get a hike as well, looking forward to switch from non-IT to IT, then you need to work on the projects, resume building, portfolio, and of course the LinkedIn profile optimization, LPO. Okay, make sure that each and every one needs to be on the LinkedIn. If you want to connect with me through LinkedIn, I will put the link on the description of this video. Okay, so if you are from experience or any domain experience, these are something which you need to do, or which you need to learn, and which you need to perform. Okay, understand one thing, guys, any one of you can become a data analyst, but you need to be very confident, consistent for your learning. The major thing that you all need to do is to upgrade your skills in the highly demanded software, and it can be one of the software can be Power BI. Guys, this is Aditi Gupta. I'm a working professional and a corporate trainer. I have worked with multiple BI tools, but Power BI is something which I love and work the most, because it is a tool by Microsoft, cheapest, for free, you can learn. Fine. So if you want to become a data analyst, irrespective of any domain and background you have, you can join my 4 hours live workshop. Okay, so in that particular workshop, we're going to talk about that what Power BI is, how you can work with Power BI with a complete end-to-end project. In the workshop, I'll provide you the data set as well and the installation guide to download and to install the softwares. Okay, so if you want to join the workshop, the link is in the description. You can check that out, and I will see you live in the workshop. It is a 4 hours and certified workshop, and it will be held on Sunday. Fine. So if I'm looking forward to see you in the workshop, and if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and let me know if you want to, learn something new in the comment box. Bye bye. Have fun. Please take care.